Hi, today I'm for the Huawei MatePad SE and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi we should click on the switcher, and after that we'll see here all the available networks. So just for example, let's select this one. Here we should enter our password. If you want to see the password, you should click here to this eye icon to have now some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen. And after that, just click here to done and tap to connect. After that, you'll see that our device successfully connected to this network, and if you want to ensure you can select more, just another network, enter the password and tap to connect. Just after that, you'll switch between these networks when you get, for example, the slow internet connection. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should also click on this Wi-Fi switcher. Also, I got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel by this way, and you'll see here Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and to turn it off you should click on the icon once again. If you wanna just turn off the launch the Wi-Fi settings to select the network, hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.